Hey there, I'm CT Nyra. I'm here to help you understand how AI is changing work and job performance. Today, we're looking into how software engineers can benefit from AI. Let's do that by answering 4 questions. What do software engineers actually do? How does AI help you code smarter? Why AI won't replace you, and what really matters in this job? Question 1. What do software engineers actually do? Software engineers are the folks building the apps you use every day. Your banking apps, your Netflix recommendations, even the website you rage quit when the button wouldn't load. They write code, fix bugs, test features, and then write even more code when someone changes their mind. Again. Key traits? Logic like a chess player, patience like a monk, creativity like a digital sculptor. Question 2. What are the AI tools you can use to help you code smarter? Now here's where AI steps in. Not to replace you, but to support you. Tool 1. GitHub Copilot. It's an AI-powered code completion tool. You type a line, and Copilot suggests the rest. Think of it as autocomplete on rocket fuel. It helps you write code faster and reduces repetitive work. Tool 2. Bloop. This is like Google search, but for your code base. You can type, "Where's the checkout logic?" and it instantly finds the exact piece of code you need. No more digging through endless files. Tool 3. Tab 9. Tab 9 learns how you code. It watches your patterns and helps you complete code based on your personal style. It works across many languages and makes you more efficient without changing your flow. Tool 4. Cody by SourceGraph. Cody helps you understand complex code bases. It can explain code, answer your questions, and generate new code with full context. It's like having an AI teammate who already knows the entire system. These tools don't replace you. They remove the friction so you can focus on building, solving, and creating. Question 3. Why AI won't replace you? Yes, AI can write code, but it doesn't understand the full picture. It doesn't know your team, your users, or your business goals. AI is a powerful assistant, but you are the architect, the one who makes decisions, sees the connections, and leads the way forward. Question 4. What really matters in this job? At its core, software engineering is about solving problems, turning ideas into something real, collaborating, adapting, improving. AI helps you do it faster, but it's your judgment, your creativity, and your ability to work with people that make you valuable. The world is changing, and so is the way we build things. Those who learn to use AI as a tool, not a threat, are the ones who will thrive. So if you're a software engineer, don't be afraid of AI. It's not your rival. It's your wrench, your hammer, your multi-tool. Use it right, and you'll code faster, smarter, and better, without burning out in the process. You've got this. Comment, follow, like, and subscribe for more.